What's up, techies? It's your boy Fluffy. On the 16th of July 2026, we were sent on a top-secret mission to the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold Unpacked media event for an exclusive special media preview. We got early, hands-on access to the entire new foldable lineup days before the official July 22 global launch. Before we unfold everything we discovered at the event, do me a huge favor. Hit that subscribe button, smash the like, and ring the bell. Foldables are entering a completely new era. Samsung is stepping away from the tall and narrow screens we are used to, shifting to designs that feel more like compact tablets when open. Let's break down our first impressions straight from the preview floor. The star of the media preview was absolutely the standard Galaxy Z Fold8. Samsung hooked us up with an early review package in this stunning phone. This phone introduces a brand new passport-style form factor. It features a 5-inch cover screen and a wider 6-inch inner panel with a 4:3 aspect ratio. It is incredibly sleek, measuring just 4.5 millimeters thick when unfolded and weighing around 201 grams. Inside, it is powered by the top-tier Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 for Galaxy processor. Samsung also managed to pack in a 4,800 mAh battery and a dual 50-megapixel camera setup for both the main sensor and the ultra-wide lens. For the hardcore tech enthusiasts, the Galaxy Z Fold8 Ultra was the other major highlight at the event. Acting as the direct successor to last year's Fold 7, the Ultra is built for max performance and screen real estate. The camera specs are heavy. It retains a massive 200 megapixel primary camera and a 10 megapixel 3x telephoto sensor, but upgrades the ultra-wide to a new 50 megapixel shooter. To handle all your heavy multitasking, it features a large 5000 mAh battery with support for faster 45W wired charging. We also got some quick hands-on time with the Galaxy Z Flip8 clamshell. But the most impressive hardware upgrade across the entire lineup is the crease, or rather, the lack of it. At the media preview, Samsung showed off a new hinge technology called Flex Titanium. This mechanism drastically reduces the visibility of the Fold line, practically eliminating the display crease that has held back mainstream adoption for years. This hands-on preview left me incredibly hyped. The wider 4:3 screen on the Fold 8 solves the awkward letterboxing issue and leverages the modern app ecosystem optimized for tablets. Let's talk about the damage to your wallet. Here are the official Philippine SRPs. For the massive Galaxy Z Fold8 Ultra, the 1TB is PHP 165,990. The 512GB is PHP 137,990. And the 256GB is PHP 123,990. For the standard Galaxy Z Fold8, the 1TB is PHP 151,990, the 512GB is PHP 123,990, and the 256GB is PHP 109,990. And for the ultra-sleek Galaxy Z Flip8, the 512GB model sits at PHP 91,990, while the 256GB is PHP 77,990. Keep in mind, there are huge pre-order promos running until August 13 where you can double your storage, save up to PHP 7,000, and get trade-in discounts of up to PHP 14,000. So, here is the section you've been waiting for. My take. Is this a good phone for you? Look, if you want a phone that simplifies your tech life, if you're tired of carrying an iPad in your bag just to read documents comfortably or watch YouTube on a decent screen, the passport-style Galaxy Z Fold8 is the perfect all-in-one answer. It is finally light enough and comfortable enough to use every single day. If you are a hardcore creator who demands high-res 8K video editing on the fly and needs the biggest screen possible, you shell out for the Ultra. And if you just want a premium, pocket-friendly phone that makes capturing everyday moments easy and looks incredibly cool doing it, the Flip 8 is your winner. Plus, they all come with a 6-month free trial of Google AI Pro, making them seriously smart companions. That wraps up our first look at the Galaxy Z Fold 8 series. Check the links in the description below to secure your pre-order and take advantage of those promos. Sound off in the comments, are you Team Fold, Team Ultra, or Team Flip? This is Fluffy speaking for the whole team at techbeatph.com. Don't forget to hit subscribe, drop a like, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.